Hi everyone, once again welcome back to channel. In this video we are going to see how to configure and how to set up the Ubuntu Android mobile screening, mirroring actually. So this is quite simple to set up the installation, some utility package we have to install, that's it. And here before doing this one we have to do some additional set configurations in the mobile. So I'm going to play one of the video here. Here you have to go to the settings and the about sections. Here you have to click on the 3-4 times on the build numbers. So this is one is a pre-recorded video, don't worry about it. Now is going to ask the password, you have to enter it. Enter the password, is going to show. Now you are the developer and move back to the back, and here you will find out some system information. Move back again. Now go to the system. Here you will see, when you scroll down you will see the developer option, click on it and scroll down little bit. Here you will see the USB debugging, just enable it, that's it. Click on the OK. Yeah, USB debugging connected. Okay, now don't connect the mobile still. Okay, here I'm not connected any device right now, I just have keep ready. Okay, and once you connected the mobile to the system, it's going to show this type of message, because we have to authorize to the system. So that's why it's asking for some RSS key fingerprint is going to register to the Ubuntu machine. So this is the message you will get in the screen. Okay, this is thing. Now the first thing we have to update the machine, just update this one. In the terminal, use the sudo. This one is Ubuntu, not the CentOS or Red Hat. And one more thing I have to say, I have forgotten. You have to use the Wi-Fi. Okay, use the Wi-Fi. Don't use the USB internet tethering while doing this project. Okay, and now we have to install some required dependencies for this project. I just compressed into single file. The main thing for this project, this ABD is enough. If you don't require to execute via the GitHub, so this ADB and this scrcpy, these two commands is enough. Anyhow, we are using the GitHub, just copy this one and paste it in the terminal. So for this project you need at least some Linux level of commands, you have to need it. So this is the main GitHub repo. I just go here. So yeah, right now this is my repo. I give it, this one is in the description box below, don't worry about it. I forked from this repo from this GenY mobile source copy. So this is the original repo. Currently this is the version 3.3.3. in the future they're going to upgrade it. So for the backup purpose, of safety purpose, I just cloned my repo here presently. If this command is not worked, if not worked, what you have to do, you have to execute this command. Okay, the command is simple. The present version of this command I just taken back. Okay, the package is just taken the backup file. So in the future it may failed, that's why I taken the backup. So just copy this one and go to the okay, paste it here. What will happening is going to cloning the GitHub into your local machine, that's it, simple. Okay, while using the git command is going to cloning it. So what this is the original repo is cloning it, not my repo. Okay, now we have to execute this command. So is going to execute it. So we are inside in this folder, make sure, and inside in this folder this should be present, this file. So it look like this. Yeah, it's installed successfully. Now see, one more thing I have to say here. So this is the file is going to execute right now. What we done, this is the file is executed, and make sure it should be in the execute state. If you did not see in the execute state permission, if you seen like this, what you have to do, okay, what you have to do, I'm going to show ch mode plus x and the install release, just hit enter, you will get this execution. Okay, and clear it now. Now we did it everything, and check it, the server is working or not. Just copy this one and check it. Server is started right now. Okay, now check on the ADB device, list of the device the attached, there is no list here. So to list one, just plug it in your USB. I'm going to plug it in here. Again execute the command, this one. Yeah, one of the device is listed. So this is device. When you connected the device, you will get a notification like this. You will get a notification. Okay, you have to select the always allow from this computer and select the allow. Okay, when you connect the device is connected, and now you can use by 3 ways: by single command, and you can also no clipboard and the audio. Okay, by normal usage I am going to use scrcpy. That's it. See, I just got a mirroring. You can see, and you can mirror it out easily. You can see, and you can open the YouTube. You can open anything. See, you can mirror it out easily. It is fastly syncing. Without a remote, we can use it like this. Okay, this is the simple step to enable the mirroring. When you cancel, is going to execute here. If it did not work, just copy this one and execute here. Again is going to show here. Okay, if it did not work, this command, just copy and paste this command. That's it. If you like to remove this one, just copy these things and paste it in the command. Is going to remove all the things. Okay, so this is a simple video to set up the mirroring in the Ubuntu. I hope you like the video. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Then once again, thanks for watching the video.